5 interesting English phrases for spoken English. English learning is a fun. Please don't pick your nose at the table. नाक में उंगली डालना. To pick one's nose. हाय, तुम कैसी हो? मैं तो एकदम फिट फर्स्ट क्लास. Hey, how are you? I am sweet as nuts. Sweet as nuts? फर्स्ट क्लास, बहुत अच्छी. To pick someone's brain, किसी से जहनी काम में मदद लेना. Hi Dave, can I pick your brain for a moment please? I need to solve these sums. To pick someone's brain, trash talk. Don't trash talk. Just mind your language. You're basically a garbage person. Trash talk बाजारी जुबान. I just lost the track of time. मुझे वक्त के गुजरने का अंदाज़ा ही नहीं हुआ. Lose the track of time का मतलब है वक्त गुजरने का एहसास या अंदाज़ा ना हो पाना. Like, share, subscribe. English learning.